right, so we're gonna do the same thing we've been doing. Gonna relax. Don't push too hard. Don't pull too hard. Same thing over and over. Alright, don't punch yourself in the face. Like you did earlier 5 times. That's good. That nose involved. Relax, don't push too hard. Aim. Nice. I'll do it again. Okay.
Yeah, I think I need a shot trainer, so when I'm at home,
Yeah.
this is basically just the second time I've used this.
Yeah, those are helpful to have. Alright. Same thing. Nose on that button. Get that thumb off. Aim. And that transfer. Okay, good.
I was shaking a little bit on
You
that
were
one.
shaking pretty hard on that one. That forearm's not liking it.
No, I mean, I wasn't even pushing. It's just
Are you pulling so hard though?
no. Actually, it's just my injured.
Just the arm. Okay.
Injured
We'll take
elbow.
it easy then. We'll shoot probably this arrow and another one. We'll be done. Okay. Get that ball. Elbow's good. Aim. And begin that transfer. Nice. Good facing. A little on the fast side, but it's pretty good. I'd rather be faster than slower. Alright, last shot. Good. Nose on the button, elbows good, thumbs off. Aim and transfer. Good
I
shot.
think I hit a fletching over there.
I think you did slap something.
All right.
Let's take a look. See what that damage is. It's a pretty good
A
group.
little bit to the right,
A
but
little bit to the right.
it's decent.
That's to be expected though, changing releases.
Decent group.
That's a phenomenal group. I don't know what you're talking about. You have 3 arrows touching.
I know, it's pretty good. If it was an inch to the right, it'd be perfect.
Inch to the left.
I mean, to the left. Yeah, you're
No,
right.
that's phenomenal shooting. That's good stuff.
Hinge it is. I think I'll be sticking with the hinge.
Yeah, I like it.
Not bad for a
I like the damage.
second time using a hinge.
No, not bad at all. Just takes practice. Takes getting used to it.
Yeah.
I like the speed. A lot of people set them up super long, but I like that speed on you.
Okay.
You just gotta take us, get used to it, get the practice in, and we'll go from there.
All right. Thanks, Coach.